Yang pastinya saya fokus di PSM dulu, soalnya kontrak saya masih di PSM, dan saya fokus di PSM untuk bawa PSM lebih baik ke depan.
Antara tim tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tim tamu Bali United.
Selamat malam. First of all, I invite all the supporters that like football, especially the supporters from PreMatch Makassar, to come tomorrow to Batacan and to can give extra energy for our boys. Last game that we play here, they make a fantastic environment, and the team make good game. So I wish that tomorrow the supporters can come can give this environment for the players, because it's going to be a very difficult match. About the game, going to be a difficult game. Bali have a strong team with many experienced players. This season we play 2 times for AFC Champions qualify, and we draw and lose on the penalties, and also on the first round of Liga Satu we lose against them. So we hope that tomorrow the history can be different on the result, but for this happen, the players must make fantastic work in all the moments of the game, without ball, with ball, offensive and defensive transitions, and of course set pieces, because on this moment of the match, Bali is very, very strong.
Ya, baik, selamat malam. Pertama saya mewakili rekan-rekan Kembali untuk mengenai pertandingan besok. Ya, kami semua tahu Bali tim yang cukup kuat, dan beberapa pertandingan terakhir yang kita ketemu belakangan ini kita susah untuk mendapatkan kemenangan. Makanya untuk pertandingan besok kami akan berusaha kerja lebih keras dan memanfaatkan waktu jeda kompetisi yang belakangan ini lagi jeda. Kami akan memanfaatkan itu, dan semoga besok pertandingan kami antara Bali United yang bisa mendapatkan pertandingan, bisa mendapatkan kemenangan. Dan untuk yang lainnya ya kita harus bisa jalankan apa yang dijalankan oleh pelatih, dikasih oleh pelatih, kita bisa laksanakan dalam pertandingan tersebut. Terima kasih.
Berapa total pemain nanti yang akan diturunkan? Pertanyaan pertama. Yang kedua, apakah ada pemain inti yang tidak dimainkan besok? Jika ada, penyebabnya kenapa? Terima kasih.
How many players are going to play tomorrow?
Yes.
So we're going to start with 11, and after we see with the substitutions if we're going to make all the substitutions or not. If we're going to make, it's more Lima, so going to be 16. Injured players, unfortunately, we have. They are on Makassar, and some players are with us but are not 100%. But tomorrow we're going to try if they can help us. Let's gonna see what's gonna happen. But it's gonna be 11 against 11, and we hope also that the referee make good game, and we expect that tomorrow the environment on the stadium can be good, like the last match that we make here, and we wish that we can make a good performance, for we can get a good result also.
Persema Makassar punya jeda waktu yang cukup panjang, 10 hari, dan juga sudah melakukan 2 uji coba di melawan tim lokal. Gimana persiapan untuk laga melawan Bali United yang tadi kata Anda bilang bahwa Bali ini merupakan satu tim yang cukup merepotkan bagi PSM?
Yes, it's true. Bali for us this season very difficult. On 3 matches we cannot win, and we lose on the penalties shoot. Also the possibility to play FEC champion. About the preparation, yes, we make 2 games, friendly match against Liga Tiga, because on Sulawesi just Liga Tiga on this moment. So we try to give more minutes, competition for some players that not play too much minutes, but also for the players that usually play to have opportunity. Because one thing it's training, another thing it's game. I think was good, but we cannot compare the intensity of a Liga Tiga team against a Liga Satu team. And tomorrow we must forget what we do against Liga team, because Bali is a Liga Satu team, good players, good team, more intensity. So our focus must be high, because they have players that can decide the game. And when these things can happen, we need to be focused since the first minute until the end of the game.
Gimana jika ada kesempatan untuk main di luar negeri?
Ya, jawaban saya mungkin singkat saja. Yang pastinya saya fokus di PSM dulu, soalnya kontrak saya masih di PSM. Dan saya fokus di PSM untuk bawa PSM lebih baik ke depan. Dan untuk selesai kontrak nanti ya kita lihat ke depan seperti apa terjadi. Terima kasih.